Okay, so to calculate the spreading rates for mid-ocean ridges, this is what you do. So the problem reads to calculate the half and full spreading rates in centimeters per year for the locations below. That's in this table here. So things to keep in mind, which will be given on the test, are the conversions of centimeters to kilometers. So 100,000 centimeters equals 1 kilometer. And then also the conversion of million to millions of years, which basically means that you take the MA and you replace it with 6 zeros to give you years. So let's first think about this visually. So you have your coast, ocean, your ridge, back to your coast. So this is all water, and you have your mid-ocean ridge here. So the distance from the ridge to the coast for this first problem is 1,800 kilometers. And it took 80 million years for it to get there, to move that far. So the first thing that we want to do, we want to have our spreading rates in centimeters per year. So we need to convert our kilometers to centimeters and our million years to just years. So how do we go about doing that? We follow these conversions that we have listed right here. So we take our 1,800 kilometers, and we times it by 100,000 centimeters. And this will give us centimeters. So let's do that in our calculator. You can use a calculator on the test, just not the one on your phone. So this gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it gives us this is our answer for centimeters. So now let's convert to centimeters. And then we need to convert our 80 million to years. And like we said before, we're just going to add 6 zeros to it, replacing the MA. So this is going to say 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now it's just in the unit years. So now we've done our conversions. What we want to do to get centimeters per year is just do exactly what our units say. We're going to take centimeters and divide it by years. So we're going to take this number and divide it by this number. Divide it by 80 years. Do that in our calculator. And that will give us 2.25 centimeters per year. So where does this number go? Does it go in half or does it go in full? Let's go back to what this says. So it says distance from the ridge. We determined that meant from the mid-ocean ridge to the coast. This is half the distance of the full ocean. So this number goes in the half spreading rate. To get our full spreading rate, we need to take this number and times it by 2, which will give us 4.50 centimeters per year. Oh, and she already gives you the units, so I'll put it in the table. Okay, so go ahead and work out the next problem on your own, and I will email the answers with this video for them.